Hi, I'm Realtor Emily Martin with Healdsburg Luxury Living and Healdsburg Sotheby's International Realty. Today, let's talk about predictions for 2026. Is the Healdsburg real estate market in a free fall, or is it just finding its balance? If you've been watching the headlines, you know things are shifting, but to really understand what's coming in 2026, we need to look past the rumors and dive into the actual data. First, let's talk about how 2025 ended. It was a year of massive correction. We started January with median prices around $1,350,000, but by December that number adjusted down to roughly $985,000. Now that sounds scary, but here's the reality. That price drop triggered a boom. Sales volume actually increased by 30% in 2025 compared to 2024. Buyers weren't gone, they were just waiting for the right price. So, what is the forecast for 2026? We are a couple weeks into it, and I'm very curious what you all think is going to happen. We are predicting a year of stabilization. We expect prices to hold steady around that $1 million mark with a modest sales volume growth of about 5 to 8%. The market is healthy, but it's moving at a different pace. On the inventory side, things are tightening up. In 2025, homes were sitting on the market for an average of 122 days, which is almost 4 months. As interest rates stabilize in 2026, we expect the wait time to drop to about 90 days. Supply will get tighter, so if you see a home you like, the window to act is getting smaller, especially in the under $2 million range. Over $2 million, the houses are sitting on the market way longer, which is totally normal at that price point, but under $1.5 million and below, you cannot wait too long. Now, let's look at the bigger picture. There's a disconnect happening in the luxury market. While entry-level homes are moving, high-end luxury estates over $2 to $2.5 million are sitting much longer, as I just mentioned. We also have new norms to deal with in California. Securing fire insurance before you make an offer is now standard practice. Speaking of fire insurance, I would love to invite you to attend a fire insurance panel I am having March 4th, 2026, hosted by Healdsburg Fire Chief Jason Boaz, as well as Jack Wu of Farmers Insurance. Anyway, back to fire insurance. Starting January 1st, there's a new law requiring sellers disclose any history of tobacco smoke on the property. Transparency is becoming just as important as the price tag. So, what should you expect whether you're a buyer or a seller? If you are a buyer, you still have leverage right now. With homes lingering on the market, you have room to negotiate repairs and price. If you are a seller, you need a strategy. The boom years of instant offers are over. You have to price competitively from day one and beat that 4-month average. Conclusion. The bottom line, 2026 is going to be a balanced, active year, but navigating these new laws and shifting trends requires an expert hand. I've written a full breakdown on the blog, but if you want to be ready for what's next, let's chat. Please reach out to me at 707-926-3200. I would love to have a phone call, go for a walk, grab a cup of coffee, grab a glass of wine, and chat about 2026 predictions, what it means for you as a homeowner. Whether you're thinking of selling, buying, or you're very happy and you don't want to go anywhere, you should still understand the market as your home is your largest asset. And don't you check in with your monthly planner quarterly, if not more than that? You should be doing the same with a trusted realtor in your local area. Thank you so much for tuning in, and be sure to give this video a like and follow along so you get notifications for all of our new YouTube videos. And if you're not following us already on Instagram, please follow Healdsburg Luxury Living. And thanks again for listening along. Hope to see you soon.